This video is for students that are in Mr. Camacho's Social Studies class for the 2015-2016 school year, and this is for Unit 1, Learning Target 1, which states that this means that students should categorize elements of geography as either human or physical. The purpose of this video is to help you guys review for what we've already done in class as we have an upcoming test on Wednesday. To be successful for this learning target, you need to be able to give examples of what is human geography and what is physical geography. And if you remember, we used this worksheet right here when we went over this. We first started with physical geography. My definition of that was to use anything that dealt with Mother Nature. The physical features of the world are all physical geography. All the landforms that we went over, mountains, oceans, continents, volcanoes, valleys, all of those examples that we went over. The worksheet that we went over used examples more like volcanoes are found in the state of Hawaii. Volcanoes erupt because of movement of land masses deep within the earth. The scientist who studies the volcanoes is studying physical geography because he is just observing. If you remember, my analogy on this was if human beings were like fans and just watching what was going on, then in that case it's physical geography. If the humans were like players in an event, then it would be more of physical geography. So again, examples of physical geography deal with anything dealing with Mother Nature, landforms, weather, climate. All of those elements are physical geography. Now moving on to human geography, it's a little bit more complex because this is where humans are interacting with the environment. Like I said, there are more players in this case. Examples of human geography would include culture, religion, clothing, architecture or construction of buildings, cities, highways, population, government, language. All of those would be elements of human geography, and when we looked over the examples, we always, we talked about oil workers drilling oil out of the ground, or people picking flowers along the woods and things like that. Those are examples where the humans are the players because they're actually doing something with the environment. So that would be examples of human geography. If you can distinguish between human geography and physical geography examples, then you're going to be in really good shape. Probably the best example we have of human geography around here would be farming. Agriculture is a great example of human geography where humans are basically making the ground what they want out of it. The final thing for this learning target, there will be a question regarding the basic tools and maps, maybe something about what is used to find absolute location. The lines of longitude and the lines of latitude come together to form the global grid, and you'll definitely need to be able to know that as well. This should prepare you for Unit 1, Learning Target 1. Good luck.